Grand Arena, the first saluted the opening act, YouTube Diver, and then mentioned the female vocals and keyboardist, positioning it against what Bucker said. In a speech at Benedictine College, Bucker mentioned the phrase "silence of the mind," stating that many women in the crowd go on to lead successful careers, but he would venture to guess the majority is most excited about their marriage and the children to bring it to. And Holly Hunter has joined Star Trek's Starfleet Academy. Hunter's character will serve as the captain and chancellor of the academy, presiding over both the faculty and a new class of Starfleet cadets. That's what's trending in Hollywood. Michelle Polino, Fox News.
All right, Michelle, thank you very much. And I'm Tom Graham for Fox News Headlines 24/7. And sure, I kind of like the outdoors. Don't mind a camping trip every now and then. Although after a little while, I don't hate a shower after a few days in the woods. But this you can't really call camping. It's called glamping, fancy camping. The future of camping for many Americans no longer involves sleeping on the ground. Fox Business Network's Lauren Simonetti, on a business in upstate New York that apparently is growing in popularity.
Pitch a tent. You simply walk up to a cabin. They have triangular glass windows, and you might see pillows inside them. Yes, there's a bed, and there are bathrooms connected to them. The owner of this property has two similar properties to it. They're all within proximity to the city. And that's a strategy. That's the point. He wants to be near his customer, who works a lot, and wants to take the opportunity to pay, underline pay, to unwind. So how much does this glamping experience cost? $300 a night, all the way up to $700.
$700 to stay at a 4 or 5-star hotel. That's just me.
I saw mistakes made too when brushing and everything.
Saying they're using artificial intelligence to assist them in video game development. Weber explaining to Fox Business Network, the Claimant County, technology is giving them the opportunity at a whole new level of detail for many of their games, and citing that they use for EA Sports College
Inspired tool set to create 130 stadiums, basketball formations, and over 13,000 players that have followed Looks like this has been executed on without machine learning technology.
Now, Microsoft recently announced that they will be putting their AI component into Minecraft in order to teach players how to play the game. This is Fox News Headlines 24/7. Who made the list?
With Chad's team.
A 9-year-old hero from Oklahoma makes the needs list for saving his parents during a tornado outbreak. The Baker family were trying to seek shelter during tornado warnings and confirmed twisters that were tearing through their neighborhood. Wayne, Lindy, and their son Branson were in their pickup truck racing to safety when all of a sudden a tornado picked up their truck and dropped it into a pile of trees. Wayne's brother Johnny was on the phone with them and heard all of it happening in real time. There was the roar of the tornado and then complete silence. Branson, their son, miraculously was not hurt and was able to get out of the truck and ran about a mile in the dark while the rain and lightning continued. Branson found rescue crews and they were able to get to his parents, where they were transported to the hospital. Wayne and Lindy are on the mend. We pray that everyone is okay. And to Branson, you are a brave young man. Janice Dean, Fox News.
All right, coming up, your Fox weather threats from Mother Nature overnight. Other top stories, all that straight ahead, just minutes away.
The world of business moves fast. Stay on top of it with the Fox Business Rundown. Listen to the Fox Business Rundown every Monday and Friday at foxbusinesspodcasts.com or wherever you download your favorite podcasts. Progressive fast. What do an escape?
God damn it.
A growling stomach. An uneven
Why this
sandwich.
traffic?
And a backdoor doggy door have in common? They can lead to an unexpected kitchen renovation.
Enter background.
Is this the zoo? Your leopard is in my kitchen.
Shut
Bundle
up,
your home and auto
please.
with Progressive for great savings and round-the-clock protection. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company.
Thank you.
Insurance not available in all states or situations.
It's uninstalled.
accomplishments as president and his vision for America in 2020. And right now, I'm Fox 5 meteorologist Stephen Morgan with the latest from America's Weather Center. The regional outbreak of severe weather is increasingly likely tonight for western Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Missouri. Storms swept this morning. We're in a low with additional developments are going to likely bring widespread destructive winds. Strong tornadoes. Cities in this area include St. Louis and Salem. Moving to Iowa, the severe weather continues to affect the boundary between Western Texas with Thursday. That grid chart is on I-95 corridor, bringing in local action with the focus on rain and cities like Dallas, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Little Rock, all under threat from Thursday. At Memorial Day weekend, while stormy-time.com was quite pleasant. This is the U.S. and the West. For the latest weather updates anytime, anywhere, download the Fox Weather app, foxweather.com.
Keeping you informed with headlines every 15 minutes. I'm Sandra Smith, and America is listening to Fox News headlines 24/7.
Fudging douchebag. I'm Neil Zach. Where's a car? Where's a car? Where's a car?
Oh, I'm not even stopped yet.
Sorry. Oh, whatever. Sorry about that.
No, it's a safety thing too.
I don't care. Me.
I don't want anything to happen.
Oh,
I'm
it's
liable
just,
for it.
Mom, calm down, Hank. It's only for a second, okay?
No, it's not.
Sorry about that.
Oh yeah. Glasses, lights. Stop slamming. Oh. He needs to stop slamming the door because I'm so sick of that. He's so impatient. Like, I'm not doing these damn meds. Oh, fuck you too. Whatever. Because I'm not having it. Fucking impatient bitch.
2016 election.
I hope he loses his life. You know.
Fucking
impatient.
They may call, even as
He better move out of my way.
Fox's Jessica Rosenthal has more.
The special
Is he
counsel
on my
in Hunter
fucking
Biden's
way?
case has
Should
filed
be.
paperwork indicating they will call Hunter Biden's ex-wife as
Fucking
witness
impatient.
and his late brother's widow Hallie, with whom he had a romantic relationship. She's described as having taken a gun belonging to Hunter and throwing it away in an outdoor public trash can. Another possible witness described watching Hunter Biden in 2018 do crack cocaine every 20 minutes. He's accused of lying about his drug use on a form to purchase a firearm. An agreement to place misdemeanor tax charges and avoid prosecution of the gun charge blew up last year. Trial is now expected to start June 3rd, though Hunter Biden's team has asked for a delay and has also asked the Third Circuit Court of Appeals to dismiss the case. Jessica Rosenthal, Fox News.
President Biden traveling to New Hampshire today, touting his work with the PACT Act, funding veterans exposed to harmful chemicals at burn pits while on active duty.
Major milestone, providing $5.7 million in benefits to 890,000 veterans and families so far in hand, including 3,000 here in New Hampshire.
Arrest warrants for war crimes for both Israel's prime minister and the Hamas terror leader from the International Criminal Court. President Biden calls the equivalent outrageous.
calling on the U.S. to impose sanctions on the ICC after arrest warrants were sought for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Minister Yoav Gallant. President Biden says the arrest warrants are outrageous and condemns any attempt to equate Israel with Hamas.
We fundamentally reject it. So we're having discussions to your questions with the Hill on the next steps. So I'm not going to get ahead of those discussions.
White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre speaking to reporters aboard Air Force One. The ICC is also seeking arrest warrants for top Hamas leaders. Jared Halpern, Fox News.
Israel has addressed many of President Biden's concerns over its long-simmering plan to carry out a wide-scale military operation in the southern Gaza city of Rafah. It's aimed at rooting out the terror group Hamas. The senior Biden administration official says in talks over the weekend with White House National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan, Israeli officials incorporated many changes into their planning. The official says the administration stopped short of greenlighting the Israeli plan, but adds Israeli officials altered planning, suggested they were taking their concerns seriously. Sports at 5 past coming up next, right here, Fox News Headlines 24/7.
Sports at 5 and 35 past every hour on Fox News Headlines 24/7. The latest is coming up next. You're listening to Fox News Headlines 24/7 on SiriusXM Channel 115.
This portion of Fox News Headlines 24/7 is brought to you by Gate One Travel. Experience more of the world for less. Visit GateOneTravel.com to find your next adventure.
Thankfully for Jets fans, he chose football. Again, we're down sports at 5 past live in Los Angeles. Here's Joe Morgan. Hey, Joe.
Hey, Tom. Aaron Rodgers is not one to stick to sports, as the four-time MVP is outspoken on a variety of issues. But when he was mentioned as a potential running mate for Robert F. Kennedy Jr., Rodgers decided that he wasn't ready to move on from football.
Yeah, I love Bobby. We had a couple of really nice conversations. But there were really two options. It was retire and be his VP or keep playing. And I want to keep playing.
That was courtesy of the Jets as Rodgers spoke to the media today after day 2 of organized team activities. Rodgers will be looking to do the unprecedented, coming back from a torn Achilles at the age of 40. But as he prepares for his 20th NFL season, Rodgers gears up for the challenge.
A lot of motivation. You know, I love the game. I want to play at a high level. I don't want to go out, I've said it before, as a bum. You know, I want to be able to play. So that's why I put the work in. And I believe in my abilities. I mean, you guys saw it today. There was no pads on, but I can obviously still throw with the best of them.
In college football news, Georgia quarterback Jaden Rashada has sued Florida head coach Billy Napier and the program's top booster over a failed name, image, and likeness deal. Rashada claims he was defrauded out of millions of dollars after they backed out of an NIL deal worth nearly $14 million. Rashada had initially agreed to play for Miami after he was promised a $5 million deal. According to the lawsuit, Florida agreed to pay for Miami with their own deal, but before Rashada could arrive on campus, the contract was terminated per the lawsuit. Rashada, was granted his release from his national letter of intent after the deal fell through by signing the Arizona State. After just one season in Tempe, Rashada transferred to Georgia. In WNBA news, Indiana Fever star Caitlin Clark has another endorsement deal. Clark has signed a multi-year partnership with Wilson. That's your sports on Fox News Headlines 24/7. I'm Joe Morgan.
Joe, thanks. Coming up, one of the presidential campaigns will take crypto donations, and a controversial DA is one of the primary details on that. It's Fox News Headlines.
Comedy Central Radio brings you the biggest names in comedy from Comedy Central's massive library. We've got holiday specials and guest comedian takeovers. I've got something to say. Comedy Central Radio, SiriusXM 95.
Do you find yourself stuck in a timeshare? Get the real facts about the timeshare industry and your options for cancellation. Chuck McDowell, founder of Wesley Financial Group, has put together a free information guide that reveals the secrets the timeshare industry doesn't want you to know.